The heat wave that has already taken 16 lives. The deadly ongoing heat wave has killed 16 people in the NCR region. The unrelenting heat wave has killed 5 people in Noida and 10 in Delhi. The Met Department has also issued a red alert for parts of North India as the death toll continues to rise due to the heat stroke. There is no respite in sight. The Met Department has predicted that the unprecedented heat will continue for another 2 days. It's not just in Delhi, but also cities like Lucknow and Kanpur, where temperatures are soaring. BJP's MP Bansuri Swaraj has slammed the Aam Aadmi Party by saying there has been no all-party meeting about the heat wave crisis.
इसी भी देखा गया कि दिल्ली की जल मंत्री आतिशी जो है पुलिस कमिश्नर को पत्र लिखकर बोलती हैं कि पाइप्स को तोड़ने की कोशिश की जाएगी, पानी चोरी करने की कोशिश की जाएगी, कहीं ना कहीं ओपोजिशन करेगा हमें बदनाम करने के लिए।
सरासर झूठ बोल रहे हैं। आईएमडी ने मार्च के महीने में ही ये बात स्पष्ट कर दी थी कि दिल्ली में भीषण गर्मी आने वाली है। इन्होंने ना तो सर्वदलीय बैठक बुलाई, ना मास्टर एक्शन प्लान बनाया, ना दिल्ली जल बोर्ड का इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर की रिपेयर करी। आप देख रहे होंगे दिल्ली जल बोर्ड की पाइपें चरमरा रही हैं। 1 दशक से केजरीवाल सरकार दिल्ली में राज भोग रही है, सत्ता भोग रही है, लेकिन काम नहीं कर रही, केवल प्रचार प्रसार और भ्रष्टाचार। आतिशी जी से निवेदन करूंगी, प्रेस वार्ताओं से ब्रेक लेकर जरा ग्राउंड पर आकर देखिए इंदिरा कैंप में क्या दयनीय हालत हो रखी।
The national capital, the weather department has sounded red alert for Delhi. Currently, I am here at Connaught Place in the heart of the national capital, and I'll show you in the visuals that people are taking precautionary measures to protect themselves from direct contact of sunlight. They are rolling clothes over their head, they are putting sunglasses, they are applying sunscreen, and as you can see in the visuals, people are sitting under the shades, they are taking sojourn under the trees to protect themselves amid this heat wave. According to weather department, the today temperature will touch around 42 degrees, and yesterday it was seen that temperature touched around 45 degrees, and according to people it felt like 50 degrees. People are protecting themselves, but amid this heat they are also taking precautionary measures. They are coming out with water bottles, with umbrella to protect themselves because the sun over our head is throwing direct fire. The heat wave has become a problem for people, not only for the people living in the national capital, but for the people living in Gurugram and Noida and other adjoining states. But according to IMD, people in Delhi might get some respite in coming 24 to 48 hours because grey clouds forming over the national capital might rain little and could give respite to the people living in Delhi as well as adjoining city. With cameraman Jagan Mohanty, Anmol Bali from New Delhi.